Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're gonna install the new App2CAr into an Honda Odyssey 2021, so you can watch Netflix, you can watch movies from Amazon Prime, or you can install any app from Google Play Store. So very simple. We just plug the port into the car USB port here on the bottom, and just wait a few seconds for the product to be identified by the car. By the way, I tried to install the same product on other models like the Civic, on the Civic, and didn't like it. Looks like the Honda Civic has a different type of head unit, which is not compatible with our App2CAr. So just make sure that your Honda has a similar type of head unit, similar to the one that is here on the video, because it might not work. So I'll just click yes, save to drive. Then remember guys, the other thing is going to the settings and making sure wireless LAN is connected with your mobile phone so you can share the internet. And then of course we go into more apps. We have all these apps installed. We're gonna run Netflix again in this Honda Odyssey 2021, and you will be able to watch videos while you're in your car from your car screen. So yeah, the product works really well, and apart from there you can run any other app like Spotify, any app really that is available on Google Store. You will be able to install it and use it with this device. You're gonna find that it's a little bit slow because my mobile phone connectivity in this area is a little bit low. That's why it's gonna take a little bit of extra time for Netflix to show the movies. If you're in an area with good internet connectivity, you will be able to do this really quickly. We're gonna run this. We're gonna play a movie for kids. This is great. You can install apps for kids as well. ABC, any app that your kid like it or has videos or books that you want to put in your car is great, so you can drive while your kids are entertained. There we go, and sound is coming from the car radio. Just gonna put a volume up, and there we go. So just gonna go to the main menu, and you can play YouTube. We have installed all these apps, Candy Crush, radio apps like music, Amazon Music, anything really. We're just gonna try another one. Let's say you wanna watch YouTube videos, you can just go to YouTube and then run it. So it's there. So thank you very much. If you want to know more about App2CAr, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com.